Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're making breakfast, so I'm going to start by prepping everything that I'm using. First thing I'm going to do is slice up my sausage. This is just some regular pork and beef sausage. You can use turkey or all beef if you want. After this, we're going to get started with prepping the veggies. I'm using one small to medium sized onion, and I'll be using a few of the mini peppers in the bag to the left. So now we're going to get started on our eggs, which is, pretty self-explanatory. Crack them into the bowl. I like to add some heavy whipping cream to mine, and I definitely like to salt and pepper them before I get cooking. Salt obviously is up to your preference, but just make sure that, you make it the way that you like it. You cannot subtract salt, but you can always add. So, start small and then increase. My pan has been sitting on the stove, heating up. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I want the sausages to be blackened. So I'm going to cook them so they're nice and dark, kind of charred on the outside, but they're going to be perfectly pink and cooked on the inside. Once I get them the way that I like them, like this, I'm going to add my veggies. Now, I like my vegetables to have like a little bit of a bite to it. I don't like them to be all the way cooked through. So I'm not going to pan fry this for too long. If you want yours all the way softened and the onions translucent, obviously lower the heat and cook them a little bit longer. I'm going to add a bit of garlic powder and some celery salt. I kind of like the taste of celery salt in my sausages, especially for breakfast with the onions and peppers. But it's up to you if you want to add it. If you don't want to add it, that's cool too. So as you can see, I've wiped out my pan. It's a cast iron pan. I don't feel the need to wash it, but I just wiped everything down. And I'm getting started on my eggs. You don't necessarily have to follow my eggs. I cooked them in a batch because I wanted them to be kind of fluffy, and I didn't want them to kind of shrink down as eggs typically tend to do. So yeah, just fry them up to your liking. If you want them a little bit more runny, if you want them a little bit more brown and dried up, that is fine too. But I'm cooking mine in batches. So thank you for cooking with me this morning. I hope that this inspires you guys to get up and maybe cook something for you and your family. But we are done. Here we have it, some blackened sauteed sausages with onions and peppers and scrambled eggs. I had mine over grits, nothing special. I just used the Walmart instant grits. My kids are going to have theirs with toast. And if you want, you can even keto this up and have this with some avocado slices. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your week.